Last week there were reports in the media that eBay had suffered a serious data breach. Hackers had gained access to not only the usernames and passwords, but also telephone numbers, dates of birth and email addresses of anywhere up to approximately 145 million account holders. Not unsurprisingly, eBay has suffered heavy criticism as a result of the data breach. In particular, why it was so slow to act. Apparently eBay was aware of the likelihood of the breach approximately 2 weeks before it was first reported in the media, and in that period it didn't take any steps to notify its customers. A breach of this nature can have a very serious impact on the reputation of a business. Questions are asked, for example, about the security of its systems and just why was it so slow to act? Was it protecting its own reputation at the expense of the security of its customers?
Well, you mentioned the 2 weeks there and looking at protecting its reputation. Of course, Australia was throwing around the idea of introducing mandatory data breach notification laws for companies. Is this likely to still go ahead, and what will it mean for businesses?
Well, Kate, I think it's very likely to go ahead. At this stage, there's currently a bill before the Senate, which is at the second reading stage, and it deals with this point exactly. If the law's passed, companies which have a belief on reasonable grounds that a serious data breach has occurred will be required to notify the Privacy Commissioner and the affected individuals as soon as possible. So, what it means for companies is that they need to have effective compliance strategies in place. They need to ensure that the security of their systems is adequate and to routinely review the security arrangements and ensure that they're up to date. They need to look at things like having security policies for portable storage devices such as iPads, tablets, even USBs. And most importantly, they need to have a crisis management policy or program in place. Should an event of this nature happen, then they're able to quickly and effectively deal with the breach, contain it, and then hopefully minimise the potential for damage to the company and harm to the customers affected. So I think it is very likely that such a bill will be passed.
Well, some good advice there, and as you say, we probably will see the bill pass. Cate, thanks so much for joining us.
You're welcome, Kate. Thanks.